So we need to understand candlestick in order to, understand technical analysis. We need to understand the candlesticks and know what they represent, what each of them represent. Though they have their different names, but knowing their name is of no use. What we really need to focus on is what they represent in the market. Okay, so if you look at the chart and see different candlestick and how they printed out, what are they telling you? What do they signify? So that's what we are going to look at for here. So first, we start from the opening and the closing of a candlestick. Alright. Okay, so this is a full candlestick with a wick. Okay, so a bullish candle. First of all, we have bullish candle and bullish candle. The red candles represent the bullish candle, while the green candle represents the bullish candle. Okay, so the bullish candle represents the sell, the supply or the sell, where the bullish candle represents the demand or the buy. Alright, so a bearish candle opens at the top and closes at the bottom, while the bullish candle opens at the bottom and closes at the top. Alright, so it starts from the bearish candle starts from the up, and it closes down here, and then the bullish candle opens down here at the bottom, and it ends up at the top. Okay, so a candle can have a wick. A wick is the line you see at the candle, whether at the top or at the bottom or both. Alright, so a wick is printed when when the price of an asset reaches a particular level and then bounces back and and didn't get to that level again. Alright, so for example, let me use this and as an example. So let's say that it opens from here, okay, from up here, and then it drags down to this point, and before the candle stops. So if it didn't get to this area again, this area will form as wick. Alright, why this full area will form as the body. Okay, so it has to start from somewhere where it opens here. So if it opens there, it starts from there and goes up and finally ends somewhere. So where it ends is the end of the candle. Alright, so this is it for the opening and the closing of the candle. So what does a full candle with wick or no wick signify? Alright, whenever you see a full candle, whether it's a bullish candle or a bearish candle, once it's full, whether with a wick or with no wick, it signifies an intensive buying or selling momentum or a pressure in the market. Okay, if you see bullish candle consistently, it signifies a bullish momentum. Alright, and if you see bearish candle that is printed with full body and maybe a wick or no wick, it signifies a bearish momentum. Okay, that means that if it's a bullish momentum, that means that buyers are eager to buy into the market at the moment. If it's a bearish momentum, that means that sellers are eager to sell their positions. Alright, so you can also find candlesticks that are just short, maybe with wick or with no wick. Okay, that shows consolidation. Alright, and consolidation here means that if a price is at the uptrend and you begin to see these candles. Alright, it means the market is now consolidating. Okay, and if the market is in the downtrend and you begin to see this trend, right, it means that the market is consolidating or recorrecting. Okay, so the market can consolidate if it has been in a particular trend for some time and the next thing we expect to see is a consolidation or a correction. Okay, so the next one is these candles here. If you see shorter body with long wick, it means indecision. Okay, so indecision means that the sellers are, they don't really know what they are up to the next minute. Okay, so the buyers are not eager to buy that much, while the sellers are not eager to sell that much. So there is an indecision in the market. Okay, so this is what this candle signifies. Okay, when we go left into the chart, okay, you are going to see these candles play their role, and you see how to use them to for price action. Okay, so these candles too, when you see a very small wick, a very small body with a long wick, it signifies a resistance. Okay, here too signifies a resistance and can also mean a reversal. Okay, reversal in the sense that the market will go from a particular trend to the other. So if it's on the uptrend and you begin to see these kind of candles, this reversal candle, that means you'll be expecting a downtrend in the next the next phase. All right, and okay, so here are the engulfing candles. Okay, so we have what is called the engulfing patterns. Okay, we have the bullish engulfing pattern and the bearish engulfing pattern. So when you see a green candle, okay, maybe a green candle that is not full, then you see another red candle that is full, engulfing it. Okay, that signifies a bearish engulfing pattern, and a bearish engulfing pattern means that the bear market is kind of engulfing or taking over the bullish market. All right. So an engulfing pattern is a candle that closes below or above the opening of the previous candle. Okay, so you can see here, this red candle here is is ending below the previous green candle. So that is an engulfing candle here. So and here too, this green candle is ending just above the red candle, and this is an engulfing candle. Okay, so a bearish engulfing candle opens at the close of a bearish candle before it and closes far above the opening of it, just as we see here. And a bearish engulfing candle opens at the close of a bearish candle before it and closes at far below it. Okay, so here is it too. So an engulfing candle is a candle that engulfs the other candle before it. Think of engulfing as overtake. Okay, so it's overtaking the next candle before it. So when you see an engulfing candle or an engulfing pattern, it signifies a momentum in the opposite direction. Okay, so this is the current direction of the market, which is the bullish market, and you see a red candle here. It means the bear is engulfing it. Okay, so here is a green candle and you see a red candle. So here is a red candle and you see a green candle above it. That means the bulls are engulfing the bearish market. Alright, so okay, we have seen the momentum candles, the consolidating candles, and the consolidating candle and the indecision candles. Alright, so whenever you are trading price action and you are seeing this candle pointing out, so you know what they signify and the action you are likely to take for each of them.